Good evening, doctor.
Good evening. What's the matter?
I haven't been feeling well lately.
What exactly is the problem?
I often feel quite sick, have had a lot of pain in the stomach for several days. I've also had severe headache
Hmm.
for over 2 days.
What's your appetite like?
Not at all good. I don't feel like eating anything. I feel full up all the time.
Have you had any fever?
Well, I do feel feverish all the time. I've also had a bad taste in the mouth since I've been sick.
All right. Let me take your temperature first. There. Give me your wrist, please. There is nothing wrong with the pulse. I'll examine you. Do you feel any pain here
Yes, some.
and here?
Oh, that's quite painful.
All right. You may get dressed now.
I hope there is nothing serious, doctor.
No, nothing serious. I'm prescribing two kinds of tablets. Take one before meals and the other after meals for 3 days. Don't eat any fried or spicy food. Drink milk and have milk foods as much as you can, and do take some rest.
Do I need to stay away from work, doctor?
No, not at all. Just take it easy and have rest whenever you can. Come and see me if the trouble doesn't go quickly.
Thank you very much, doctor. Goodbye.
Bye.